Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday, and welcome back. It is such a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous day. Oh my gosh, there's not a cloud in the sky, blue skies everywhere, sunny, 70 something degrees. Gorgeous. But today is a spring refresh. We need to clean this back patio because everything is so dusty. Now that winter has passed us and spring is here, we figure let's get back there and clean up the area. He's also going to go ahead and power wash the home and give the home a nice shower because it needs it. And then I'm also going to clean these cushions. So I ordered on Amazon this little fabric upholstery cleaner. I think it's from BISSEL. It's, I think, the little green machine or something like that. I'll open it up and show you guys, and I'll also will link it in my description box in case this is something that you're interested in and you may want to purchase and clean your cushions with. So hope it works good. It had a lot of really good reviews, so I'm actually excited about using it. So yeah, so today is just going to be, let's spruce up the home a little bit, and I need to look at my Keurig because it's acting funny, so I'm thinking I might need to descale that guy. So I'm attempt to do that, and yeah, just kind of get our outdoor space put together nice and clean, because one thing about us, we love spending, if the weather is right outside, we love to spend time back here. It is so nice, and because we do live in the country, you get all that breeze out here and it feels so good. So we'll have lunch out here, and I have also most mornings my coffee time out here. One thing about me, my favorite time of the day is morning time, and every day, well, not every day, most days before work, I always have my coffee out here. There's just something about being outside, sipping on my coffee in the morning while everything is still so quiet. That is my favorite time of the day. So we definitely want to get this guy cleaned up and all that stuff. And we probably do that about twice a year, where we'll power wash the house and do a refresh back here. So let me get going because I'm about to help Travis move all this furniture out of here. That way he can clear the area and he can start doing his power washing here. And then while he's doing that, I'm going to work on the cushion. So let's get going. Okay, we got the back patio all cleared up, and while he's still moving two more items, the grill and I think our heating lamp, I am going to go and descale our Keurig because I cannot be without my coffee in the mornings, and it was acting a little funky. So I said, no, we need to get you clean. So the Keurig has heated up, and I'm about to just run some hot plain water a couple of times to clean out the little spout. So I'm gonna do that now. the Keurig from coffee. So I'm gonna give it one more round of rinsing out. Cleaning the Keurig, I think it's broken. I called Travis in to look at it so he can just kind of assess the situation, and I think it's broke. And I'm actually kind of disappointed in these Keurigs, because when we moved into this house, which was about a year ago, I ordered the same exact Keurig that we have now, and it lasted me about a year, and it was giving me issues, and then it broke. I don't know, it's like if the motor just dies on you or it's fried. And then 2 months ago, I ordered the exact same Keurig, which is the one that I have, and same thing. It's like dying. I don't know what's going wrong, but like coffee's barely going out. And then when I try to clean it and descale it, it acts all crazy. So I'm just done. I called the store that I purchased it from, and they said as long as I bring in the card that I made the original purchase, they'll go ahead and give me a credit back. So I am going to do that. And I am going to buy me a different coffee maker. So to me, they're too pricey to be breaking on me the way they have. And I don't have money just to be thrown out the window every time the Keurig dies. So the crazy thing is, I had a previous Keurig. It was just a single cup. And I left that Keurig with my boys. And I think that Keurig has been going probably 8 years strong. Like, you know, it's good. And then this one that has the pot and the single cup serve, those are more finicky. So I'm done. I'm just gonna go get me a new Keurig and be done with it. But I have assembled my little green BISSEL cleaner, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. It looks so cute, but I have assembled it. I put the solution in it, I put the water in it, and I'm ready to start cleaning those cushions. So I hope it works. I think it will. I mean, anything is better than what they're looking like right now. Here it is, guys. Look how cute that is. I like the color. I'm just like have an obsession with like sage green lately. So that is the little cleaner. Like I said, they had many options. I just ordered it from Amazon, but I didn't want to spend, you know, drop a few $100s on a cleaning machine. So this, I hope, does the trick. So I'm about to head outside and get to cleaning. I just finished vacuuming and shampooing the cushions. So I will say I'm gonna give it a thumbs up on the BISSEL cleaner because it did get off most of the stains. It didn't get everything off because I think we had a couple mildew spots that it didn't remove the mildew stain, but all the other stains definitely came off. So give that a thumbs up. And now that I got that out the way, I am going to clean the windows, because since he power washed back here, let me show you the streaks. And I do not like the way, I don't like when windows have streaks on them, because we do have an open view to the back of our property here. So I don't like to see, you know, smudges or anything. So let me show you this. So all this is just from the water, as you can see. So I'm going to clean all the water stains off, because that is no bueno. So let me go get everything and get all this stuff nice and clean. Taking a breather because that was an arm workout. But look at that. I opened up the windows, but they don't have all the water streaks and they look so nice and clean now. Oh my, though, I am tired. Like, spring cleaning is all good in theory, but then when you're doing it, you're like, this is just too much. I'm tired, but we're gonna keep going, because I know that once everything's clean and we're sitting back here, we're going to be able to breathe and enjoy it and just be like, but we are tired. So I finished cleaning all the windows. Travis finished power washing the home, and cushions are clean. Now we are going to move over to our outdoor rug, because this outdoor rug is pretty gross. I will show you. So I'm hoping, I don't even know if all this dirt's going to come off at any point in time. I need to put that up, but we're going to go ahead and give it a shot and see if we can make any progress and make this rug a lot cleaner than what it is. But anything is better than nothing. So wish us luck. Okay, look at our rug. It is so disgusting. It's just so gross. It has like dirt stains. I don't know what stains are those in the middle, but we're gonna see if we can. We're gonna see if there's a miracle and we can get this somewhat clean, then all these stains come out. So I'm gonna pour some of that Dawn soap over there onto the rug. All right, guys, wish us luck. Taking a break. This is probably like my 5th or 6th break that I've taken, but I am tired. But I will say this patio refresh was much needed, and I I don't know when you guys do a refresh, like I feel a difference. Like I feel like I can breathe. It feels good. It feels airy. The space feels so clean. But we did remove so much dust. So we got all the furniture back here. The only thing that we have is the rug that we put it out there on a pile of wood so it can air dry. So once that finishes drying, I'm going to go ahead and put it back where it belongs, and then I'll do a quick little recap of our refresh space that we have out here. But guys, this is so much needed. I love my outdoor space here, but I'm telling you, it gets dusty, and and I clean in between throughout the year. I'm constantly cleaning off our table, dusting little nooks and cranny of this patio space, but it is much needed that we need to take everything out, power wash everything, wipe with everything, and let me tell you, it makes a huge difference. So I am taking a quick break. I'm about to go get me a glass of water, and then we'll do a quick recap so we can see the space nice and clean. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick recap of our back patio because it feels so good out here, and maybe you guys might not be able to see the difference, but I can see the difference and I can feel the difference. It is not dusty. My rug is still trying to dry, but I did place it under the table, and yes, the power wash did miracles to that rug. And also I suggest you guys, if you want a little upholstery cleaner so you can clean your cushions or anything, cushions, rug, couches, definitely recommend the little BISSEL green machine. It definitely took out the stains on my couch, on the cushion to our egg that we sit in a lot. And also, if you guys want that egg, the chair that's an egg back here, we bought it at Lowe's about 2 years ago. So if you guys want it, I would recommend 1000%. It is so cute. 2-3 people can pile up in there, but I absolutely love that egg. Everybody goes to that egg when we're out here hanging out. So yeah, but I'm about to give you the recap, and I am going to close out the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, because I've enjoyed hanging out with you. And as always, I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.